Welcome to the ultimate guide to NYC on a budget. We're about to drop some serious NYC knowledge bombs. Forget what they say about this city. You don't need a trust fund to experience the magic. We're talking free ferries, killer views, and food that'll blow your mind without blowing your budget. So ditch the overpriced tourist traps and get ready to hustle with me through the concrete jungle, because we're about to unlock the secrets of NYC on a budget. First up, we're hitting up the Staten Island Ferry. Yeah, you heard that right, free. This ain't no rickety tourist trap either. We're talking a 25-minute cruise with front row seats to Lady Liberty herself. That's right, the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, the whole shebang, all while you soak in those epic Manhattan skyline views. Just maybe skip the rush hour crowds, unless you're into that whole sardine in a can vibe. Next stop, Central Park, the concrete jungle's green oasis. This place is massive, like 843 acres of meadows, lakes, even a freaking castle. Yeah, a castle, you heard me right. Pack a picnic, people watch till the cows come home, or just pretend you're in a Nora Ephron movie. Whatever your style, Central Park's got you covered. And the best part? Totally free, baby. Speaking of parks, we gotta hit up the High Line. Imagine a railway line, but instead of trains, it's a floating garden in the sky. Yeah, New York's got that. Stroll through wildflowers, check out some cool art, and get ready for killer views of Manhattan's West Side. It's free, it's fabulous, and it's the only workout you'll actually enjoy in this city. Chapter 4. All right, time for some history and architecture, but like the cool kind. Grand Central Terminal people. This place is straight out of a movie set with a ceiling that looks like a freaking planetarium. And don't even get me started on the Whispering Gallery. Talk about spooky action at a distance. It's free to explore, but do yourself a favor and grab a $1 bagel from a street vendor. Trust me, it's the ultimate NYC experience. Chapter 5. Now, if you're looking for some real NYC flavor, Washington Square Park is the place to be. This ain't your average park. It's a full-on street performance extravaganza. We're talking musicians, magicians, chess hustlers ready to school you. You never know what you're gonna get, and that's the beauty of it. The price of admission? Just your attention, and maybe a buck or two if you're feeling generous. Chapter 6. All right, time to conquer the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. This is one for the books, folks. We're talking stunning city views, Insta-worthy photo ops, and a workout that doesn't feel like a workout. Except for those uphill climbs, those are brutal. Pro tip: go early, like sunrise early, to beat the crowds and get that perfect golden hour shot. Chapter 7. Pay What You Wish Museums, Art on Your Terms. All right, art lovers, this one's for you. NYC is home to some of the best museums in the world, and guess what? A bunch of them are pay what you wish. We're talking the Met, the American Museum of Natural History, the Brooklyn Museum, all yours to explore without breaking the bank. Just don't be that person who drops a nickel in the donation box, all right? Have some class. Chapter 8. Bryant Park, your urban oasis with free Wi-Fi. Need a break from the hustle? Bryant Park is your new best friend. Free Wi-Fi, comfy chairs, and enough people watching to last a lifetime. And in the winter, this place transforms into a magical winter wonderland, complete with a free ice skating rink. Just bring your own skates, and maybe a helmet, because New Yorkers take their ice skating seriously. Chapter 9. Bushwick Street, Art. Welcome to Instagram heaven. Now let's head to Brooklyn, baby. Bushwick, to be precise. This place is an explosion of color, creativity, and street art that'll make your Instagram feed pop. We're talking murals, graffiti, installations. It's like walking through a living, breathing art gallery. And it's completely free. Just grab a coffee from a local hipster coffee shop and soak it all in. Chapter 10. Smorgasburg Market, a foodie paradise on a budget. And while we're in Brooklyn, we gotta hit up Smorgasburg, the mother of all food markets. This ain't your grandma's farmer's market, folks. We're talking gourmet tacos, insane dumplings, artisanal ice cream that'll blow your mind. Okay, so it's not technically free, but trust me, for under 10 bucks, you can eat like a king. Pro tip: bring a friend, split the dishes, and double your foodie fun. Chapter 11: Roosevelt Island Tram, your budget-friendly skyline tour. Last but not least, we're taking the Roosevelt Island Tram. This ain't your average commute, people. We're talking epic aerial views of Manhattan, all for the price of a subway swipe. Plus, Roosevelt Island itself is a hidden gem, perfect for a peaceful stroll and some serious reflection on how much money you just saved. Outro NYC, your affordable adventure awaits. So there you have it, folks. NYC on a budget isn't just possible, it's freaking amazing. From free ferries to cheap eats and priceless views, this city has something for everyone, no matter your budget. Pack your walking shoes, channel your inner bargain hunter, and get ready to experience the real New York City, where the best things in life are free, or at least really, really cheap. Don't just dream about it, make it happen. Start planning your budget-friendly NYC adventure today.